In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view a shift bid's history. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your location selected, then choose Bidding. Select the shift bid whose history you want to view. I'll choose this one. Then go to your new top menu bar and select History. Now I can see the history of this shift bid, starting from today's timestamp. In the chart, I can see the timestamp, when the changes were made, the action, what change was made, the source, which line was affected, the summary, who made the changes, and which employee they were for. If I scroll down, you'll see I'm only viewing the changes that were made today. If I scroll back up, I can select a different date. So I'll choose the calendar icon next to timestamp, and maybe I'll choose the 5th. Then select Apply. Now when I scroll down, I can see changes that were made from the 5th to today. If I scroll back up, I can also choose to view the history by action, by who made the changes, or by who the changes were for. So maybe I want to view the changes for a specific employee. To do that, enter their name into the For box. So I'll click in here, and I want to view the changes for Cat Cradle. If you're happy with your new settings, choose Apply. And now I'm viewing all of the changes made for Cat from June 5th to the present. To reset these filters to view your history the way it originally was, choose Clear. And now those changes have been reset. To view the details for a change, choose the action. So I'll click this one, and now I can see the timestamp, the action, the source, who made the change, and who the change was for. I can also see details for that action though. I can see the type of edit, the object, in this case it was for an employee, the property, it was submitted, from, and to. To exit out of this information, choose Close. That's how you can view the history of your shift bid in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to view reports, including lists and charts for your shift bids.